2 illusions you need to stop believing about your business. 2 illusions that I see all the time when people are starting their own home business, and failing miserably at both. The first is that you have to be rich to start your own home business. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about 2 illusions you need to stop believing about your business. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand. So for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. And the second illusion is that you have to know everything about the home business industry in order to make money at it. Both of these illusions are dead wrong. And neither is starting your own home business in the first place. So let's look at these illusions, and why you need to stop believing them. The first illusion you need to stop believing is that you have to be rich to start your own home business. What a crock. To think that you need to have millions to open your own business is absolutely ludicrous. When you look at the fact that the majority of home businesses are true mom-and-pop operations, you can't even begin to see how much money can be made with that kind of business. And if you're looking at the financials, more often than not, they are not even that impressive. But this one thing that they do tell you, that you must have a large bankroll, is very misleading. If you don't have thousands upon thousands of dollars to invest right away, then you don't have a business. And if you don't have a business right now, how in the world are you going to get off of the ground floor? Start small and grow your profits over time. Don't worry about the bankroll, it will come, but you need to focus on building your client base and marketing your product line. The second illusion that you need to stop believing that you need to know everything about the home business industry is that you need to think that you're going to become some sort of success story. The reality is that there is no way to become anything in this industry without having a plan. In other words, you are going to need a business plan. If you don't have one in place already, you are going to need to learn everything you can about business plans and then go out and get one. When people tell you to market your products, they are saying that you're not going to succeed unless you're willing to spend an exorbitant amount of money. While this is true to an extent, you don't necessarily need a lot of money to get started. You also don't need to be rich. You just need to have a bit of guidance and direction. This guidance and direction will come from someone who has been where you are and knows what it's like to struggle through the hurdles that you will be facing as you build your business. These 2 illusions you need to stop believing are the ones that tell you that you can't achieve anything worthwhile by yourself. Remember, you are a team and you need to work as a team. It doesn't matter if you're working alone or with a team. What matters is that you are taking the steps towards realizing your goals. There is nothing that you are going to experience that is going to be impossible. What this statement is telling you is that you are going to face some incredible obstacles, but that if you overcome them and continue to build your business, you will achieve the success that you are looking for. Remember, this is a business, this is not a hobby, and you are not going to have a lot of time to devote to building your business. You are going to have to be focused and you are going to have a plan. Those are 2 illusions you need to stop believing because they are keeping you from achieving your goals. Do whatever it takes and do it today because it will be easier said than done. Do everything in your power to stay focused and to know what your goals are, even though you may not be sure how to get there. Have a plan, make sure you have goals, and keep moving forward towards your success. There is nothing that is going to stand in your way, even if there is a mountain. Stay focused and you will achieve everything that you are trying to in life. Thanks for watching my video about 2 illusions you need to stop believing about your business. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.